Welcome to Sniperbot Solana for Pump.Fun, the tested, high-performance Solana sniper engineered for traders who demand precision and speed. Designed to operate quietly and reliably, Sniperbot Solana.Fun continuously monitors the Solana network for newly minted tokens, liquidity events, and the on-chain signals your strategy targets. When your conditions are met, the platform executes transactions with millisecond timing so your entries happen when the market moves, not after. Getting started is simple and intuitive. Sign in, connect your wallet, and choose from our curated presets: conservative, balanced, or aggressive. Or create a fully custom strategy. Define target pairs, set maximum spend, configure slippage tolerance, and stack rule-based filters to match your edge. Want to run multiple targets at once? Use batch presets and automated scaling rules to manage volume without extra complexity. Once active, the bot